What's up, my nerds? I'm Justice, I'm your badge captain.
And I'm your badge captain too.
Oh, yeah, good. Way to just come up with something on the fly there.
Quick-witted.
Quit-witted. Just give up.
Just get out of here.
Today we're on our silver email badge. Past our bronze. We're on the silver. Go ahead. Party captain? Badge captain?
Badge captain.
Badge captain 2, I guess is what you said.
That's what yeah. All right, question 1. There's 2 services of email. What are they?
There is sending. I'm going to lower this one. And receiving, right? So you can send it and you can receive it. Sending and receiving.
Bada bing, bada boom. Question 2. When you receive an email, where does it get stored?
Where, oh where? In the email nerd universe, we call this the inbox, right? So those emails come in to a little digital box. We call it the inbox.
Fair enough. Question 3. How many emails can my inbox hold?
My email inbox is literally littered with thousands of email. Thousands. So the answer is thousands. Yeah. Some people I know delete everything and then they only have like 5 and then they read them and they delete them. I leave them in there unless they're totally garbage, then I'll delete them.
I have a top 10. Everything else
T10. A T10. You like how I abbreviated there?
That was good.
You go.
Question 4. Are my emails in any particular order?
Right. That'd be a nightmare if they weren't, right?
Yeah.
There's a total jumble fest. Like, oh, where was that email? Let me just scroll through these 10,000 and see if I can find. Oh, there it is. Yeah, emails are actually newest emails are listed first. They're listed at the top. So the ones that just bing come in, those are at the top. The ones that are below it are older and sent long ago in a galaxy far away.
Question 5. In an email, what is the subject line for?
Subject line, yes. So the subject line is really just a short description of what the body of the message is. So like, let's say that I sent you an email and I was like, hey, like here's a whole list of things that I think that we should do next time we go to Maui, Hawaii, and it's a big long message. In the subject line, I just might type something like Maui trip, so that way when you get it, you know that it's an email about the Maui trip.
I'm excited for this trip already. Question 6. Who should I give my email to?
Give it to the cops.
I trust the cops.
Yeah, no, only give it to people that you trust, right? Because if it gets in the wrong hands, you might get a bunch of messages you don't want.
I would give it to you because I trust you.
You better. I'm going to spam you with cat photos.
Not that guy.
That is not a person. That is a computer. Or are you pointing at the legs of this guy?
It was the computer.
Yes, yeah.
Question 7. What if somebody sends me something I don't want? What is that called?
Well, it shouldn't have given out that email address because now they are sending you spam. That's right. They're sending you spam or they're sending you junk. And that's what we call mail that we don't want. Spam or junk.
Never give my email to Robot Pants again.
Robot Pants. Yeah, that's a fun fact, right? You've watched several of these videos. This robot back here, Chappie, we dissected him.
His pants are
yeah,
over there.
his lower half, his pants are over there. He's just the half of a body right there.
Question 8.
All right.
What do I do with spam or junk?
Spam and bam. If you can, unsubscribe from whoever sent it to you. If you don't want it, a lot of times you can scroll to the bottom of an email and there's a little unsubscribe button, or hey, if you want to change your email settings, click here. Do that. That's the thing. And if there's no unsubscribe, then you just delete it. So in that order, unsubscribe/delete. And I'm gonna unsubscribe from this silver email because
you already have it.
I already have it.
Just
I got it. It's fresh. I only need one. You have one. I got one. Now you go get one. Scurry on.
Best of luck on your badge taken. Yeah, good luck. Do your best, and we'll see you next time.
I'm Justice.
I'm Jacob. That's a cow noise.
It's a cow noise.